Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Eventbrite how to set up invitation. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To set up an invitation on Eventbrite, you'll want to create your event and then customize how invitations and tickets are sent to your attendees. Now in order to set up an invitation, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, then on the search bars type in eventbrite.com. Now once the homepage loads, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, you'll be seeing your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then simply tap on it. Now on tapping it, you'll be finding the drop down menu, and then among the options you'll be seeing the option that says my events. Simply tap on that. Then once you're inside my events, now what you need to do is tap on the plus icon right here to create an event. Then you can use the option create my event faster with AI, or just simply tap on start from scratch. Then what you need to do is fill in your event details. Then once done, go to the ticket section, then click create ticket and choose free, paid or donation, and then quantity available, ticket sales start and end times. Then once your event is done, all you gotta do is tap on publish, and this makes the event go live and ready for RSVPs. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.